Look at that. 2 weeks. At least, maybe 3. Well guys, I don't know why, but it seems like I never bother to check the wiper blades until it rains, and then I find out they're no good. But it doesn't rain that much in Arizona here. I mean, but when it does, it rains a lot. So, however, that's not the case here. What I have is this new vehicle to me, this GMC Savana Explorer van. And I don't even know if the wipers work, but I do know it needs blades. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to change the blades. And since I haven't checked it out, I'm going to go ahead and see if it needs fluid, wiper fluid, which it probably does. I got my blades here, and put those on and see how that goes. Okay, I've replaced the driver's side just to find out how these work. And you won't see this tab right here. This is the old one off the driver's side because the wiper blade, as you can see right here, is covering it. So let me get back to here. Here's the tab. Now, you'll watch these videos and they say to push down on the tab. Well, I don't believe so. You need to pull up on the tab like that with your finger underneath here. This is an unusual blade. You can take this piece loose from the blade right here and right here like that. Now you got hold of this piece. Crazy, isn't it? Then you pull up on the tab, and then of course then it'll turn and you can slide your blade off. Let's see how that works now that I've totally confused everybody probably. I put a towel underneath just in case I slip. I don't want my wiper hitting the window, the metal piece. Good idea to try that. So I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead, take these loose. Trying to anyway. There we go. Now I got my blade off of there. I know, this is crazy. I've never seen this style either. But I don't do this every day. So now I can get to this, to where I can slide my blade off. And what I want to do, make sure you're in camera here. There is where's that little tab? You can feel it right underneath here. Let me pull it up. Perhaps you can see it right there. This tab right here. And pull up on it like that. Go ahead and lay that back down because I can't do this one-handed. Okay, come on back here. Where are you? There you are. Okay, where's my tab? Okay, I can feel it underneath there. If you're pulling up, you're pulling towards this, it's not going to come off. You need to push that little tab down. I'll show you again. There it is, right there. Push it down like that. Okay. Then this stupid thing will slide off like that. Marvelous. Marvelous what these people invent. And then you got your wiper arm. This piece is off. Now you can go to the easy part because these blades I got are much easier to take on and off. All you do is squeeze this here on both sides, pinch it, pull up on that. Put your blade through, hook it over, like that. Pull it a little bit, make sure it's snug. Lock that down, check it. You're good to go. Take your little green stripe off of there. Now you got a new wiper blade. Okay, that's the blades. That should be the hardest part. Now let's see if the wipers work. But first, I don't have any idea about this car, this van, because like I said, it's new to me and I've never tried the wipers. I will tell you though, I do like these blades because they come with a spare, or 2 spares for next year when I forget it again. But I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood and check the washer fluid. Okay, here's the washer fluid bottle, and it does look to be colored, sort of a blue color. I recommend using washer fluid. If you use water, be sure to use distilled water. Where's that Black Widow at? I know there's one in there. Anyway, use distilled water. That way it may not clog up your small orifices that shoot the stream. I'm going to assume that that's washer fluid in there because of the color. So I won't be adding any of this. Okay, here we are inside. It's been a couple weeks since I started it, so I'm not expecting really a whole lot. Look at that. 2 weeks. At least, maybe 3. Unbelievable. Okay, I'm expecting to get lucky on these wipers. It is cold. Oil pressure's up there. The little green light indicates that the running lights are working. It's automatic. There's nothing I can do about it. I don't have a seatbelt on. Service engine soon. Could be that the transmission has issues. I did run a code check on it, and it says something like the ABS to the rear wheels is not being read, so they use a strange system on this. On the ABS, they have sensors on the front wheels. They have sensors on the front wheels, but the back wheel are read through the transmission. The turning of the wheels on the back reads through the transmission. So I don't know, but I have to check that out. Now the wipers are over here. Let's see, cruise, I know that works. You push and that usually gives you the fluid. Let's try that and see what happens. It might even make the wipers go. Okay, I'm going to push that that way, I think. Oh yeah. Well, the wipers work, but what about the fluid? Looky there. Are they both squirting? Yes, they are. Well, let's just run some of that out of there. Brand new wipers. And it'll go for a little while and stop. Yay! Well, there we go. That's just to get them started. Let's see. Wiper delay. I might have to read the instructions, and I'm pretty sure I will. Either that or figure out how to go down the road and hold this down. That'd be about right. No, I'll read the instructions, figure out how it's done. I think you just turn it on like that. There you go. What a delay. Oh, okay. Low, high, and then you're on the delay here. Long delay and off. Missed? Nah, missed is this right here. Okay, I am very, very pleased. Can't turn the radio on. I mean, it does work, but YouTube won't let you hear it. So, here we go until the next video. This is Steve AZ711, also known as Cars, Trucks, and Detours. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to warm this up a little bit. So until the next video, hope all your wiper blades are easier than this one was. Bye for now. Oh, I'll be doing some brake work on this because I'm not happy with the brakes, and I got to go back into the transmission if you haven't seen that video yet, because I don't seem to have a second gear, so I'm going to check out the solenoids in that. I knew it when I bought it. They told me it was that way, but I want to check it out anyway. So again, bye for now. And thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it.